Hello, I am petroonishchuk. Topic of this video: WebSocket and UIKit. But this is not a whole video about UIKit and WebSocket. This is a link to my GitHub repository, where I placed this project inside my GitHub repository. By making this video, I create ability to find this project through Google search, because I don't create a whole video about UIKit and WebSocket. And now let's move to our project. This is our project inside our SwiftUI tutorial. How you can see, we have a couple sections. We have a section SwiftUI, UIKit, Golang, and WebSocket client and server. Previously, I created a couple videos where using SwiftUI by create our WebSocket client. And also I using JavaScript for create WebSocket client and also using Golang language for create WebSocket client and WebSocket server. How you can see, we have a link to our SwiftUI project, to our Golang project, and also we have a link to our UIKit project. But below this link, we only have a link to our GitHub project, because I don't create YouTube video to this project. Let's move to this project. This is our UIKit project, what I create for make our WebSocket client and also for make our WebSocket connection with our WebSocket server. And then, how you can see inside README file, I try to explain step by step what I do for make our WebSocket connection by using our UIKit. And also, you can download this project from my GitHub repository. All link to this project I put below in description. If you have any question about this project, you can put inside comment section. This is the end. Thank you for watching.